Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a nice chicken soup.
Not feeling well? Make chicken soup. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it.
To make things easier to make nice chicken soup, you want to take off the wings individually and the leg quarters, and then you want to take the chicken breasts off, that whole bird, and then throw them into the pan and get them all nice and browned up. And after they're browned up, you're going to flip them, and then you're going to let them cook a little. And then after they've cooked down, this takes about 10 to 12 minutes, you're going to be putting them into a gallon of spring water into your saucepan. Then using the same pan, add a little olive oil and butter to it. You're going to be adding your onions and then your celery. And then you're going to stir that around and let that set and cook. And then throw that into the pan. And then part 3, we're going to be putting in our carrots. And then we're going to be putting in the radishes. And then after the radishes, we have our fennel. And then we're going to stir that all up, let it cook down a little. And then we're going to be putting it into the pan. And then we're going to stir that all up. And then we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 2 hours. Yeah. And then you've pulled your pan off the oven and taken off all the bones and everything else out of it. And now it's time to put your garlic and beans together. This is the last process. I'm going to stir that up a little, let it cook. And then we're going to throw that into the pot and let it stir up for a little bit. And then that's going to be cooking for just a few minutes while you get ready to serve. And then, of course, this beautiful close-up here to just show you how chicken soup looks. Don't you feel better already? And then with your bowl, you add 2 scoops of goodies, and then 2 scoops of broth, a little cheddar cheese, and cayenne pepper. And in the end, you have a pure and clean and beautiful chicken soup. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.